Hazrat Saeed bin Musayyab has reported from Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri and Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed the brother of Banu Adi Ansari a collector for Khaybar. So he brought extremely fine dates. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said to him, "Are all the dates of Khaybar like these?" He submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, they are not like these. But we purchased 4 kilograms of dates of fine quality in exchange for 8 kilograms. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "Don't do so, but equal quantity must be for the equal quantity, while selling or purchasing them, or sell them and purchase them fine quality dates for their price, and the measurable things like that as well. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7350 and 7351.